Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I'm always looking for a great snack to take with me on the go, and especially one that has high protein. So ALOHA protein bars are one of my absolute favorite options for that. This particular one is super yummy. It's chocolate chip cookie dough, and I think it is so delicious. What I really love about ALOHA protein bars is that it's plant-based protein and it's 14 grams, which is awesome, but also they keep the ingredients fairly simple that I can actually understand what the items are on the ingredient list. So I love that. I love that it's a plant-based option and their flavors are so yummy. This chocolate chip cookie dough flavor is super good. It's very easy to eat. I don't really feel like I'm eating a protein bar. It feels like I'm eating a treat, which is always a bonus. Obviously, they're so easy for me to take with me on the go, and I know that I'm getting 14 grams of protein and ingredients that I can feel good about. So ALOHA protein bars are always a great option for me. If you're looking for a tasty plant-based protein bar, I highly recommend checking out ALOHA, and I highly recommend checking out the chocolate chip cookie dough if you love chocolate, but that's just my point of view.